Tired of spending precious time sifting through endless vendor lists? Let's fix it by setting up preferred vendors in Peachtree Accounting, streamlining your purchasing process. First, open your Peachtree accounting software and click on the Vendors and Purchases module. You can typically find this on the main navigation screen. From the Vendors and Purchases menu, navigate to Vendors. This will open the Vendor Management Center. Now, select the vendor you want to designate as preferred in the vendor list. Click on the vendor's name to open their detailed information. In the Maintain Vendors window, look for a tab labeled Custom Fields or Additional Info. Click on it. Within the Custom Fields or Additional Info tab, locate the field for Preferred Vendor. Select the checkbox next to Preferred Vendor. If this field doesn't exist, you may need to create a custom field first within the Maintain Global Options menu. Once you've checked the Preferred Vendor box, click Save or OK to apply your changes. You'll now see a visual indication, such as star or checked status icon, that this vendor is preferred in your vendor list, and now you can save vendor list and filter based on preferred vendor status. You can now easily filter and prioritize these vendors within your reports and purchase orders, saving you time and helping you improve efficiency.